Hello and welcome to my channel. It's my first time recording the YouTube channel videos with my voice, so I'm a little bit nervous, so bear with me. So today we will be making a shrug. We will need approximately 3 balls of this yarn by Winter King. It's 50 grams. We will need stitch markers 4 and a crochet hook 5 mm. This is what I'll be using. We will start by making a foundation chain. We will chain 80 stitches for the area around the neck. So let's do that. So we have 80 stitches. Take the last stitch you made, attach it to the first stitch that you made. So here, attach it, then slip stitch like that. So okay, so now that you have that, this is what you're going to do. We need the back panel, the front panel, and the sleeves. The sleeves will be 12 stitches, the other sleeve 12 stitch, 28 stitches for the remaining back panel and front panel, and 20 stitches. So you will mark from here to here. You mark these corners. So you count how many stitches? 14 stitches from where you stitch. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Then you mark the 15th stitch. Then you count 12 stitches from this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You mark there. So well, you can make the first one. Just mark there. Then you count how many? 28. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. So you mark the 29th one because that's is where you'll start your sleeve. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is where you'll end. You mark there. Then now you have the corners of your sleeves. This is where you'll be increasing. You'll have to increase here and here and here and here to make the sleeves. So from here you should chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So the stitch you will be using is the treble stitch. So you circled, you do that twice, then you skip. Sorry, let's do it by this side, like that. 1 2. So like that. Touch, skip 1, attach your hook here, pull over, yarn over. 1 2 3, chain 1 1 2, skip 1 1 2 sorry. Skip one. One, two, three. Chain one. Skip one. One. Okay, we are now at the first stitch marker. We remove the stitch marker and make 3 chains here. 1, 2, 3. We should mark the second chain. 1, 2. You mark this chain. Then you continue skipping 1, chaining 1, skipping 1, and making a treble stitch in the next stitch. You do that until you get here. We are at the second stitch marker, so remove the stitch marker and make 3 treble chains stitches like you did in the previous stitch marker. 1, 2, 3. Then you mark the second chain, and then you continue doing what we did before. Stitch, chain 1, skip 1, and continue doing that until you get to the next stitch marker. So let's do that. Okay, so we are at that stitch marker. You remove it and make 3 stitches in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Do that when you get here too, and let's meet at the end. Okay, so we are here at the end of the first row. We will slip stitch in the 4th stitch from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch here. Sorry. Yeah. So your first row should look like this. So after slip stitching, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then skip 1 and 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and repeat what we just did in row 1. You skip 1 and make a treble stitch in the next chain. So continue doing that until you get an appropriate size. Oh, this is the appropriate size. I made 8 rows. So then I cut the yarn here at the beginning or at the end. Now we will make the sleeves. Now we will make the sleeve by attaching the yarn in the middle chain that we made where we were supposed to put markers. Okay, we'll insert the hook through the two chains. Insert the yarn over. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you make a sleeve. Insert the hook. Chain 1. Yarn over. Insert the hook. Chain 1. Continue doing that while inserting the hook through skipping 1 until we meet here. We are at the end. Let's slip stitch in the 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch, then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over. Insert the hook here. Yarn over. Insert the hook. Pull through. Chain 1. Then let's continue doing that to make the sleeve until you have an appropriate length. After you're done with one side, do the same for the other sleeve, and we'll meet at the end.